We'll guide you through how to install mods in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Quit Minecraft. And then what you need to do is go and open up a web browser. I'm going to go and use Chrome like so. And then you want to go and search for CurseForge. CurseForge is a place you can get loads of different things for Minecraft from, including mods. Then you can go and click on Minecraft here. And you can then go and scroll down and you can go and start looking at latest mods. Click on view all over to the right. In this case, I'll go and get a popular mod. So let's go and say I want to go and get just enough items. I'll go and click on it. Then what you can do is go and select files. You can read through the description if you want to, and now go and scroll down. The things you need to note for, as there are quite a few files here, are the game version and the mod loader. So in this case, we're going to be using Forge, and just note on the game version as well, as that'll go and impact the version of Forge we get as well. So in this case, this is for Forge for 1.21.1. I'll click on the three dots to the right and click on download file. It's now been downloaded. Now, before we get to the next part of the video, a big thank you to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. They sell Minecraft servers. So if you're looking to go and get a server with your friends, check them out. They've got so many awesome features like 24/7 servers and support, one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, the list goes on. If you're interested, I'll go and put a link down below in the description and the comments. At the moment, you can get 25% off your first invoice. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you to Apex for sponsoring this video. What we now need to do is open up a new tab, and you want to go and search for something called Forge. So as I was saying, Forge is the mod loader we're going to be using. Go and search for it. You may need to search Minecraft Forge to be a bit more precise, and you can then come to the site. Now, what you need to do is make sure you get that same version. So we can come over to the left, and I need Minecraft 1.21.1, like so. And then what we can do is once we're here, we can go and click on installer. Just be aware this is an ad. So if you see a download button, this is for the ad. You need to click on the skip button in the top right and it will go and download. Now come to the bottom of your computer and open up your file explorer, come to downloads, and you should go and find the mod you downloaded, or mods if you've got multiple, and then Forge. Go and drag them onto your desktop like so. First of all, we need to go and install Forge, so go and double click on it like this. The Forge installer should appear. If nothing opens up, or maybe something else opens up, then what you need to do is get Java, and then come to java.com. You can then click on download Java and go and install it. It's a really simple process. Come back and right click on Forge, hover over open with, and then click on choose another app and select Java and click on always. If that still isn't working, then you may need to do something called a jar fix, and that will go and relink the files. Then select install client once it's open and press OK and wait. In the Minecraft launcher, select Java on the left and installations at the top. Now what you need to do is scroll down here and see you can go and find Forge just here and click on the file or folder icon to the right. Now scroll through these files until you go and find the mods folder and open it up. And what you need to do is go and add the mods in by dragging them like so. After you've done that, close the folder and come back to the launcher. Come to the left of play, and then what you can do is go and find Forge and click on play and press play again, and it should launch. And you can then get into a world and